Preston.
My name's Jack. My name's Fuller.
They're clamping down on, so there's Penga.
Every minute, every hour, shut up.
Whakalawhātu Makou. Kua i Urahu. O ke ono ki nephew hako ko Penga, Mo'olani. Tau se tag I Hukui a Niue. So peeps, I'm in Urahu, coming to support my nephew Penga and Lani. Both of them playing for Niue. And Penga's under 18 boys and Lani's mixed open, I think. Wow, parking's crazy. Had to walk, man. Had to walk far. Can't park anywhere. I'm not sure what time it started, but it's like a tournament with Tonga, Samoa, Niue, Fiji, Islands. That's the ones I know. Maybe there's Tokalo, Tuvalu, Papua New Guinea, I'm not too sure. But it's a Pacific tag tournament. So I'm just going now, walking there. Heaps of cars. Got my Niue kahoa on. Yeah, hoping to get some footage. Pretty much just going to support my cousin Eden and my auntie Sifa. Just go see what's going on. Alright, hopefully I can get some footage. Hopefully I can catch a game. Yo, got the Niue team. This is Niue 18s. I'm not sure if this is Penga's team. Can't see him on the field, can't see him on the sideline. There's my nephew here. That's right here, Penga. That's my nephew.
Working, we're working, get off that line, we're working.
You just got back. Oh, you're the one that brought it back with you, eh?
Hey, look at the sun. I'm sure.
Oh.
Yeah, we're here with Penga's #1 supporters, Sifa, Eden, and Violet. Okay, here he is. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go.
Oh. Come on, Ben! Oh. Oh, okay.
There we go. That's a rule you can't really do, a spin. They're clamping down on. So there's Penga. Yeah.
Oh! It's okay, Jackson! They're leading by 1.
There goes Graham Fafusi. Graham's the organizer. Yep. Here we have little Vaughan here. He's mohe te patue. Ai ke monuine mohe ao to leo ke whewhai ao. Alright, great outcome guys. We won our game. We won. Penga won.
By 1 point.
By 1 point.
Yellow.
6-5, eh? What do you think? What do you guys reckon? Good game? So far, Eden, really? Good game?
Good game.
Good game, Violet?
Action.
So, where's my nephew? Where's my nephew? Oh, there it is.
Boys, next game, I don't want to see them. I agree with them. My cock is lucky, sorry.
That's the winning team. Oh yeah, name, introduce yourself. And what do you think of the today? Oh yeah.
My name's Preston.
My name's Jack. My name's Fuller. We play for Niue under 18s.
Under 18s.
Yo, how long you boys been training for?
For like
a couple months.
2 months.
We've been together for like 3 tournaments now?
Yeah, 3 tournaments together.
And playing for Niue, how?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, 3 to alright.
But yo, it's a good experience with the brothers. Keep it up.
Any advice for other people wanting to get into tag?
Don't get into fights. Just do
And have fun.
do what makes you happy, you know? You can enjoy. Every
And keep it on the
second,
field, eh?
every minute, every hour. Shut up.
Oh, yeah, fuck all.
Shut up.
Niue.